Hey there, Tech Challenge friends. Having trouble with your Windows sound? No worries. Today I'll show you the worst possible way to fix it. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your speakers are plugged in. Oh wait, you're wearing wireless headphones? Well, I guess that advice is as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Moving on. Okay, so you're at your desktop. See that little speaker icon at the bottom, right? Click on it. No, not that. That's the start menu. The speaker icon. Found it? Good. Right-click on it. No, your other right. Perfect. Select Open Volume Mixer. Take a look at all those sliders. They control different things, but let's be honest, you probably just want the computer to make noise. So crank all those sliders up to the max. Just kidding, you might want to adjust them to a reasonable level. Still no sound? Alright, let's go deeper. Click that speaker icon again. This time, select Playback Devices. Now you see a list. What's that, your speakers aren't even listed? Well, that's a twist. Here's a genius move. Restart your computer. Yep, turn it off and turn it back on. That solves 99% of tech issues, right? Back already? Still no sound? Time to roll up our sleeves. Go to the Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open it. Now scroll down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Double-click it. See your audio device? Right-click and select Update Driver. Let Windows do its thing. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, it's lying. Trust me. Still no sound? Wow, you have a stubborn computer. Try uninstalling the audio driver. Yes, you heard me right. Click Uninstall Device. Then restart your PC. Windows should magically reinstall the driver. Last resort, maybe your speakers are haunted. I'm joking. But seriously, check your speaker cables or try a different set of headphones. Well, that was a wild ride. If you managed to get your sound working, congrats. If not, well, at least you had some fun watching this terrible guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more painfully bad tech tutorials. See you next time.